I just finished making this leather case prototype for a new kit that I'm calling the Apocalypse Kit. Let me show you how it works. This strap closure is really tight. I've cut a taper in the tongue, but you still have these loops on the edges that make it easy to disengage. So the reason I wanted to call it the Apocalypse Kit is because all three aspects of the kit, which is the 5-way cast iron, the G2 5-inch Firebox stove, and the leather case, they're all pretty much bomb-proof. So this thing could withstand the apocalypse with no problem at all. It does come with this handle that you can use for the 5-way cast iron. So if we go ahead and set up the 5-inch Firebox stove, this is like the original twig stick gathered fuels stove. The bottom of the 5-way cast iron has this grate that's great for grilling, but it also has a pattern that engages the top of the 5-inch Firebox stove. And so when you set this up here on top, it actually clicks into place, and so it's nice and solid. The fit is perfect. And once you have the weight on top of there, it feels like you're cooking at home because it's just so solid and secure. The other way this 5-way cast iron works is you can use it as a pedestal for the 5-inch Firebox stove. So once again, that pattern in the bottom engages the bottom, and you've got this beautiful setup for cooking. You know, put your pot, your pan, your 5-way skillet on top, cook your bacon and eggs, whatever else you need. But there's plenty of space inside the 5-way to hold all the accessories for the Firebox stove. Now once this is upside down like this, you can still use this handle. You just turn it over and it engages just like that, and you can pick the whole thing up. And then let's go ahead and slide it into its case. Slides right in there nice and snug. And then you go ahead and put the tongue down through the strap. Now this was made from scraps that I had, so the finished product will not have all these holes. These were prototypes where we were working out the design for the larger 5-way case that holds the whole 5-way set. So I had a few of these laying around that I cut and turned into this leather case. So the finished product will not have these holes, and it may not look exactly like this. We may move the logo up here onto the tongue. It'll be all, you know, brand new leather, fresh cut from the hide. But just a really nice, tidy little package. I really like how this turned out. So, very cool. The Apocalypse Kit.
breakfast is served.